Good morning, everyone. As you all know, our university has a program called Pathways to Global Nursing Excellence, direct bridging nursing education from NWU University, Ilocos Norte, to Germany. With this program, our university, we are able to send selected nursing students to Germany. It is to develop and strengthen our university connection with Germany, particularly with their health, particularly in health. I have a list with me, and with this list is a name who is qualified to go to Germany as our NWU Nursing Department representative. So out of 6 students who applied with the program, 1 was qualified, and her name is Ms. Raymond Dumayan. So, you are the only qualified student as you provide the requirements within the time and prove you are worthy of being a representative from NWU Nursing Department in Germany. Once again, congratulations to you, and may you represent our university well in your Germany trip. Then after that, I want you to get this consent form and then get this signed by your parents. And then after that, you must have a uniform of NWU nursing, and then get ready with your pocket money, get ready with your clothes, because after tomorrow we will go to Germany, and I will be accompanying you.
But the more effective response that they ask, are NWU nursing degrees and certification easily recognized in Germany?
Yes, it is easily recognized because this program is not new in NWU, because itong program na is na-implement na noon pa. Let's say 2015 na i-implement na to. So, hindi na to new, pero kukunti lang kasi ang nag-a-apply at kukunti lang ang nag-qualify for this German trip. Kaya natutuwa kami na meron nag-qualify for ngayon kasi mas gaganda at mas nalakas ang aming connection sa Germany dahil sa mga hospital.
With that astonishing knowledge that I've gathered, the second question is, what cultural training or orientation programs, not only this program but NWU offer to help students prepare for living and working in Germany?
Siyempre, with that, since pumunta ka ng Germany, yung mga training dito, pwede natin i-implement sa Germany, at pwede rin tayo maka-account ng mga additional education there para ma-implement din natin pag-uwi mo dito sa ating university or sa ating bansa.
With that, I think qualified with this program. Am I able to bibigyan ba ko ng this program ng pera para
Of course, we have a funding for this program, but I suggest you bring your own pocket money for additional shopping.
Shopping only, but my parents are making for me so that I will be financially stable when I go to their country.
Okay, I will need to there.
Thank you, sir.
Ano, congrats! Napitas na rin na naman. Kaya kung dapat ay dapat kita natin hindi tatang.
Kamusta kayo anak ko?
Okay lang, tatang.
Nanay, kami qualified ng mga pan-Germany.
Kaya sa mga nagkakain na ni Miss Mary, anak ko, congratulations.
Then tatang matulungan ka yun. Matulungan para pag-ibigay, matulungan kayo. Kasi kaligatan mo ko ito, anak, kasi magbayan, anak, tatang.
Kasano ka ron din, anak ko, i-explica mo magmanyakin.
At dati na arapan this program na test, and then ang test na ating ko DJ grade 85 or ang pangato tatay. Kasi ako na lang yung president, mabalik ka rin ito, at saan ang mga
Sika, Asa no garon kay balo na mga pan di Germany.
Kasi yung tamang atakay. Ay, wala lang kayo basta. Ay, kasi ang anak ko, awan di boyfriend doon ka dyan. Gusto nga, nasa pumunta si Kating napili. Eh, di nga, bakit makikitibigin ka? Inulit ka. Ay, nalang, bakit man lang lang kasi. Si Chris, kami natin ni Tatang Tita.
Kaya na po, panungusan ta kayo.
Sir, dahil kaya consent for kami ng mga nilalagay lang ako. Ako, nakalawa mga
Oh, that's good news. Are you ready?
experience in Germany perfectly inspired of exploring and expanding international regions. Her success demonstrates the practical application of Northwestern's commitment to developing globally competent and ethically upright leaders. The opportunity aligns directly with the university's vision of being a premier institution of training in Asia and globally, committed to excellence and an application of global relevance. Student journey exemplifies the university's mission by showcasing the development of highly competent, socially responsible, and ethically upright leaders through international collaboration and experience. Her achievement is a testament to Northwestern's success in fostering global leaders.
Thank you.